Hello everyone. Today we're making a wicked heart in pink and green. It's a great idea for Valentine's Day and super trendy right now. Let's get started. This heart is made in just 9 rounds and we'll need pink and green yarn size 4, a size 4 crochet hook, and some stuffing. To begin, we'll create 2 pieces of 3 rounds, each one in green and one in pink. I'll guide you through the pink part step by step. Start with a magic ring and a slip knot. Now, make 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tighten the ring. Use a contrasting yarn to mark the start of your round. Next, we'll make 5 increases, 2 single crochets in each stitch. Let's count together. 1, 2 in the same stitch. 1, 2 in the next stitch, and so on. Repeat until you have 10 stitches in total. For the third round, make 1 single crochet in each stitch for a total of 10. Once complete, cut the yarn. Your pink top is ready. Set it aside. Now, repeat the same steps with green yarn to create the green top of the heart. You can follow the instructions for the pink top, pause the video, or rewind if needed. Once both tops are ready, it's time to join them. For the last step on the green part, switch to the pink yarn. Place the 2 tops together and start crocheting with the pink yarn. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch for a total of 10. On the last stitch, switch to green yarn and continue with 10 single crochets on the green part. Remember to tuck the loose ends inside as you go. It'll make stuffing the heart easier later. Now let's move to round 5. Work 10 single crochets on each side, alternating colors as before. Ensure there are no gaps and then we can continue. For round 6, we'll start shaping the heart. Make 2 single crochet followed by a decrease. Crochet 2 stitches together. Make 2 single crochet followed by a decrease. Crochet 2 stitches together. And the last we make decrease. On the last stitch, switch colors again. Repeat these steps for the other side. When changing colors, leave the loose ends inside for stuffing. This will make the process neater. Make 2 single crochet followed by a decrease. Crochet 2 stitches together. Make 2 single crochet followed by a decrease. Crochet 2 stitches together. And the last we make decrease. Round 7 involves a simple pattern. Single crochet. Decrease. Single crochet. Crochet 2 stitches together. Single crochet. Switch colors at the end and repeat on the other side. Single crochet, decrease. Single crochet, decrease. Single crochet. Now it's time to stuff the heart. Use either your fingers or a hook and fill it with yarn scraps or pillow stuffing. Round 8 is the second to last round. Work 1 single crochet followed by 2 decreases. Switch colors as needed. Work 1 single crochet followed by 2 decreases. For the final round, continue decreasing until the heart is closed. Tie off the yarn, secure the ends with knots, and weave them in for a clean finish. The stitches might feel tight at this stage, so you can switch to a smaller hook if necessary. Your heart is complete. Doesn't it look amazing? It's trendy and perfect for Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to check out my other tutorial for a classic red heart. The link is in the info box. Thank you for joining me, and happy crocheting. Be ready for St. Valentine's Day. Bye.